इसे खरीदो। Buy this. Buy this. मुझे बाजार जाना है। I need to go to the market. I need to go to the market. मुझे सच में जानना है। I really need to know. I really need to know. वो कहाँ है? Where is she? Where is she? मुझे अभी जाना है। I need to go now. I need to go now. इसे ठीक करो। Fix this. Fix this. ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? इसे दोबारा मत कहो। Don't say this again. Don't say this again. मुझे इस पर विचार करने दो। Let me think about this. Let me think about this. ये कहाँ मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? मुझे बस थोड़ी देर चाहिए। I just need a moment. I just need a moment. इसे संभालो। Handle it. Handle it. ये मेरा काम नहीं है। This is not my job. This is not my job. क्या ये उपयोगी है? Is this useful? Is this useful? मैं इसे नहीं ढूंढ सकता। I can't find this. I can't find this. मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है। I am not used to this. I am not used to this. ये कौन करेगा? Who will do this? Who will do this? मैं इसे वापस कर दूंगा। I will return this. I will return this. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना है। I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. ये मत कहो। Don't say that. Don't say that. इसे मेरे लिए रख दो। Keep this for me. Keep this for me. क्या ये दूर है? Is this far? Is this far? मैं इसे नहीं खरीद सकता। I can't buy this. I can't buy this. ये कब शुरू होगा? When does this start? When does this start? मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता। I don't understand this. I don't understand this. ये रंग मुझे पसंद है। I like this color. I like this color. क्या तुमने ये भेजा? Did you send this? Did you send this? मुझे बस 5 मिनट चाहिए। I just need 5 minutes. I just need 5 minutes. इसे वहां ना रखो. Don't put it there. Don't put it there. तुम किसकी मदद कर रहे हो? Whom are you helping? Whom are you helping? मैं इसे नहीं बदलूंगा. I won't change this. I won't change this. ये मेरा अंतिम फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. क्या ये ज़रूरी है? Is this necessary? Is this necessary? मुझे ये बताओ. Tell me this. Tell me this. ये किसके लिए है? For whom is this? For whom is this? मैं तुम्हें बाद में बुलाऊंगा. I will call you later. I will call you later. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do this carefully. Do this carefully. तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? मैं इसे समझ गया. I have understood this. I have understood this. मुझे ये सुनना चाहिए था. I should have heard this. I should have heard this. ये बहुत पुराना है. This is too old. This is too old. मैं इसे खोज रहा हूँ. I am searching for this. I am searching for this. क्या ये ठीक होगा? Will this be all right? Will this be all right? इसे आज करो. Do this today. Do this today. मैं इसे नहीं पहचानता. I don't recognize this. I don't recognize this. तुम कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? मुझे ये तुरंत चाहिए. I need this immediately. I need this immediately. ये किसने तोड़ा? Who broke this? Who broke this? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? मुझे ये अच्छा नहीं लगा. I did not like this. I did not like this. ये कब खत्म होगा? When will this end? When will this end? तुम किस पर काम कर रहे हो? What are you working on? What are you working on? ये मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. मुझे इस पर ध्यान देना होगा. I need to focus on this. I need to focus on this. तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. मैं इस पर निर्भर हूँ. I am relying on this. I am relying on this. ये कब शुरू हुआ? When did this start? When did this start? तुम क्या चाहते हो इससे? What do you want from this? What do you want from this? ये रास्ता बंद है. This road is closed. This road is closed. मुझे इसका इंतजार था. I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this. तुम्हारा फोन कहाँ है? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? ये मेरे साथ नहीं हो सकता. This can't happen to me. This can't happen to me. इसे यहाँ से हटाओ. Remove this from here. Remove this from here. तुम क्या लाए हो? What have you brought? What have you brought? ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे और जानकारी चाहिए. I need more information. I need more information. मैं इसे नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ. I can't understand this. I can't understand this. ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new for me. This is new for me. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद नहीं थी. I did not expect this. I did not expect this. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. मैं इसे कब तक रख सकता हूँ? How long can I keep this? How long can I keep this? इसे मत भूलना. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. तुम ये कब से कर रहे हो? Since when have you been doing this? Since when have you been doing this? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. मुझे ये समझाओ. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. क्या ये सही है? Is this right? Is this right? इसे कहाँ रखूं? Where should I put this? Where should I put this? ये कितना दूर है? How far is this? How far is this? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करूं? How do I use this? How do I use this? ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good. This is very good. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. ये कब होगा? When will this happen? When will this happen? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मुझे और वक़्त चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. ये मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. This is enough for me. This is enough for me. इसे अभी भेज दो. Send this now. Send this now. ये मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. This is not good for me. This is not good for me. मैं इसे करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do this. I want to do this. ये कैसा है? How is this? How is this? मुझे ये मत दिखाओ. Don't show this to me. Don't show this to me. तुम इसे क्यों चाहते हो? Why do you want this? Why do you want this? इसे तेज करो. Speed this up. Speed this up. मैं ये नहीं चाहता. I don't want this. I don't want this. इसे बाहर ले जाओ. Take this outside. Take this outside. ये मेरा आखिरी मौका है. This is my last chance. This is my last chance. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you go with me? Will you go with me? ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? मुझे इसे खत्म करना है. I need to finish this. I need to finish this. तुम कब तक यहाँ हो? How long are you here? How long are you here? मुझे इसकी समझ नहीं है. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. इसे संभाल के रखो. Keep this safe. Keep this safe. तुम ये क्यों चाहते हो? Why do you want this? Why do you want this? ये बहुत खराब है. This is very bad. This is very bad. मुझे इसे बदलना होगा. I will have to change this. I will have to change this. इसे वापस कर दो. Return this. Return this. मैं इसे नहीं जानता. I don't know this. I don't know this. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is too big. This is too big. तुमने ये कहाँ से लिया? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? मुझे इसे जांचना होगा. I need to check this. I need to check this. ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मुझे ये नहीं मिला. I didn't find this. I didn't find this. तुम इसे लेकर क्या करोगे? What will you do with this? What will you do with this? इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. मैं इसे नहीं भूल सकता. I can't forget this. I can't forget this. इसे ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully. ये किसने भेजा? Who sent this? Who sent this? तुम इसे क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why can't you do this? Why can't you do this? ये कब तक टिकेगा? How long will this hold? How long will this hold? मुझे ये जानना है. I need to know this. I need to know this. ये मेरा नहीं है. This isn't mine. This isn't mine. क्या ये काम करेगा? Will this work? Will this work? मैं इसे लेने आया हूँ. I have come to take this. I have come to take this. ये मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important to me. This is very important to me. इसे कैसे सेट करें? How to set this up? How to set this up? ये मेरे लिए कठिन है. This is hard for me. This is hard for me. इसे अभी चालू करो. Turn this on now. Turn this on now. ये बहुत छोटा है. This is too small. This is too small. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं इसे नहीं समझ सकता. I can't understand this. I can't understand this. ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? इसे मेरे लिए पकड़ो. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. तुम इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हो? How do you use this? How do you use this? ये तुम्हारे लिए क्या मायने रखता है? What does this mean to you? What does this mean to you? मुझे ये तुरंत चाहिए. I need this immediately. I need this immediately. ये बहुत जल्द हो गया. This happened too quickly. This happened too quickly. क्या ये समय पर होगा? Will this be on time? Will this be on time? ये मुझे कहाँ मिल सकता है? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. इसे आज ही ख़त्म करो. Finish this today. Finish this today. तुम इसे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand this? Why don't you understand this? ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important for me. This is very important for me. इसे किसने बनाया? Who made this? Who made this? मुझे जाना है. I have to go. I have to go. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? वो कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? मैं यहाँ रहूँगा. I will stay here. I will stay here. तुम कब आए? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? तुम्हें आराम करना चाहिए. You should rest. You should rest. ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like this. I like this. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? What is your name? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे विश्वास है. I believe. I believe. वो यहाँ क्यों है? Why is he here? Why is he here? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. कृपया ध्यान दें. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? मुझे जानकारी चाहिए. I need information. I need information. कृपया मदद कीजिए. Please help. Please help. आप क्या सोचते हैं? What do you think? What do you think? इसे बदल दो. Change it. Change it. मैं समझ गया. I understand. I understand. क्या तुम मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help? Can you help? ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? कृपया इंतज़ार करें. Please wait. Please wait. तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? ये कब हुआ? When did this happen? When did this happen? मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to this. I am used to this. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? मुझे चिंता है. I am worried. I am worried. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. क्या आप चाय लेंगे? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? मुझे खाना चाहिए. I should eat. I should eat. ये रास्ता सही है. This is the right way. This is the right way. कृपया धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? मैं खो गया हूं. I am lost. I am lost. क्या आप मुझे दिशा दिखा सकते हैं? Can you show me the direction? Can you show me the direction? ये बहुत ठंडा है. It's very cold. It's very cold. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. I feel hot. I feel hot. कृपया फिर से कहें. Please say it again. Please say it again. आपका पसंदीदा रंग क्या है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. I don't know. क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? मुझे थोड़ी और चाय चाहिए. I want some more tea. I want some more tea. क्या आपको कोई आपत्ति है? Do you mind? Do you mind? मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना है. I need to go to the doctor. I need to go to the doctor. क्या ये सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मुझे इसकी जरूरत है. I need this. I need this. ये बहुत दूर है. It's too far. It's too far. कृपया मुझे अकेला छोड़ दें. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. आपका जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? मुझे अब जाना होगा. I must go now. I must go now. क्या आप स्वीकार करते हैं? Do you accept? Do you accept? ये बहुत मजेदार है. This is very funny. This is very funny. कृपया ध्यान से सुने. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता हूँ. I can help you. I can help you. आप कितने बजे जागती हैं? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? आपको कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है? Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt? क्या मैं आपका पेन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? आपके परिवार में कितने लोग हैं? How many people are in your family? How many people are in your family? मुझे अच्छी नींद आई. I slept well. I slept well. क्या आप मेरे साथ लंच करेंगे? Will you have lunch with me? Will you have lunch with me? मुझे जल्दी है. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. आप यहाँ कब तक रहेंगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? तुम मुझे अब कब बुलाओगे? When will you call me? When will you call me? ये मेरे लिए नया है. This is new to me. This is new to me. क्या आपके पास नक्शा है? Do you have a map? Do you have a map? मुझे थोड़ी हवा चाहिए. I need some air. I need some air. क्या आप खेलना चाहते हैं? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? इसे मत छूना. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मैं खोज रहा हूं. I am looking. I am looking. क्या ये खुला है? Is this open? Is this open? आपको कहाँ जाना है? Where do you need to go? Where do you need to go? मुझे ताजी हवा चाहिए. I need fresh air. I need fresh air. मैं व्यायाम करने जा रहा हूं. I am going to exercise. I am going to exercise. आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? ये रास्ता कहाँ जाता है? Where does this road go? Where does this road go? मैं खाना बना रहा हूं. I am cooking. I am cooking. क्या आप इसे समझते हैं? Do you understand this? Do you understand this? मैं खाना चाहता हूं. I want to eat. I want to eat. आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? What are you reading? What are you reading? मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? आप किस समय खाते हैं? What time do you eat? What time do you eat? मैं ठीक हूं धन्यवाद. I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. आपकी मदद के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. मैं बस में हूँ. I am on the bus. I am on the bus. क्या आप मुझे उठा सकते हैं? Can you pick me up? Can you pick me up? मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लग रहा है. I like it here. I like it here. आपका पेशा क्या है? What is your profession? What is your profession? मैं ये खरीदना चाहता हूँ. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. क्या आप खुश हैं? Are you happy? Are you happy? मैं इसे समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to understand this. I am trying to understand this. क्या आपके पास पानी है? Do you have water? Do you have water? कृपया धीरे चलें. Please walk slowly. Please walk slowly. मुझे अपनी चाबियां खोजनी हैं. I need to find my keys. I need to find my keys. क्या आप थोड़ी देर रुक सकते हैं? Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment? मुझे उससे मिलना है. I have to meet him. I have to meet him. ये मेरा पहला समय है. This is my first time. This is my first time. मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the market. I am going to the market. क्या आप मुझे ये समझा सकते हैं? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? मुझे शांति चाहिए. I want peace. I want peace. आपने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? ये मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन है. This is too difficult for me. This is too difficult for me. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ पसंद है. I like your voice. I like your voice. क्या आप ड्राइव कर सकते हैं? Can you drive? Can you drive? मुझे अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है. I am feeling good. I am feeling good. क्या आप मेरा इंतज़ार कर सकते हैं? Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? मुझे ये किताब चाहिए. I need this book. I need this book. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. क्या आप सहमत हैं? Do you agree? Do you agree? सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग.